Hey guys, it's Vic here. I want to make a quick video here showing you how to navigate this ClickUp task, and I make it as a tool to help us and each individual team member to understand clearly, gain clarity on where they stand in terms of their role in the company, their responsibility in the company, and what tasks they need to do to achieve that role. So to quickly break down, on the top here is pretty much your role and who you're assigned to, your role, and the outcome that we want. And I'm going to explain clearly on how to break that down, and that outcome is also clearly communicate again right here, and there's going to be a video here showing you an in-depth what expectation from that role. And within that role there should be only 2 to 3 main responsibility that you have to hold. Only 2 or 3. 2 to 3 responsibility. In this case, the account manager role, as you can see, we have 2 responsibility, and when you click into that responsibility, there's tasks that you need to do within that responsibility. And just keep in mind, by this time of recording, the task is always changing because it's always never fixed, right? We need to do more things to, like, we pretty much do whatever it takes to achieve that responsibility. So we're going to be adding more bullet point in here, but this particular role in general will be explained in this video. So this video will be explaining everything that you need to understand more about this role, this task, and this responsibility. So the subtask act as the responsibility, and inside of that is a task to achieve that responsibility. Okay, and that responsibility will come back to serve the outcome. On the right hand side would be our core value, our mission, our vision, and also a question that you need to always remember in order to ask yourself. So let me illustrate that. So the question is what, how, and who. You can read that in detail later on, but in order to explain it to you, I want to show you what I mean by the whole structure I want to achieve. The outcome is why you're here. Why are you even here? What is your role? Why are you here? And within that question, we lead ourselves to a responsibility, right? Responsibility is like, what you need to do, like what is the responsibility. And again, there should be only 2 to 3 responsibility, key responsibility to each member in each of that role. Key responsibility, right? And within that key responsibility, you have other small responsibility. And within that responsibility, you have a task. What task do you need to do to achieve that responsibility, to achieve that 2 or 3 responsibility? And the question we need to ask ourselves, that the team member, is your responsibility to ask the question, not someone else. It's your responsibility to ask the question, and that is like what, how, and who. What do I need to do to resolve this, to achieve this? How am I going to do that in the most efficient and effective way, and how am I going to do that in the correct manner, right? And then who do I need to involve in this process? Is this like a solo task that I need to do, or I need to do it with someone else? And if I can't do it, who do I need to ask? Okay, this is the culture that we built. It's literally in our 3rd principle of doing whatever it takes, having responsibility, not a task. Each team member have to think on their own, be resourceful, and be creative when it comes to solving problems. So that's literally in our 3rd principle. So by all means, read the principle, and thank you for watching the video.